easy steps. Let's start, just follow along. Guitar Star Academy.
Hey parents and kids, welcome to day one of how to play electric guitar for kids. Today's lesson is super easy, so grab your guitar and let's get started. And by the end of today's video, you'll learn how to play your very first song, Smoke on the Water. So I'm going to be using my guitar pick to pluck the string like this, but you can also use your thumb. And all the notes to Smoke on the Water are going to be on string 6, which is this one here. So there's 3 parts to Smoke on the Water, so let's do part 1. So I'm going to play an open 6 string like this, and then with my first finger I'm going to count down 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go to the 3rd fret. I'm going to push down with my fingertip, keeping the string pinned to the fretboard. Then I'm going to move to the 5th fret. So that's part 1. Let's try that again. So open, 3, and then to 5. Just going to play this a few more times for you. Now you've got to remember, the more you play this, the faster the notes are going to get. Okay, so part 2 is very similar. We're going to play an open 6 string, and then we're going to play the 3rd fret. But this time we're going to jump to the 6th fret, and then to the 5th fret. So what I recommend doing, or what some of my students do, is they actually put stickers on the top of the guitar so you can make it really visual for yourself, so you know exactly where the fingers are going. And if you don't have that, then you just might need to count down like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over time we have a thing what's called muscle memory, and this is where our fingers remember where to go. Okay, so here's part 2 again. Now I'm going to play part 1 and part 2 together so you can hear how this sounds. And just remember, pause and rewatch the video as often as you need to. That's 1, and then the part 2. Okay, so we just got one more part left to do, and we go.
Ready to take your guitar playing to the next level? At Guitar Star Academy, we're dedicated to helping you become guitar stars. If you're a beginner, picking up a guitar for the first time, or have been strumming chords for a while, our academy offers fun and interactive lessons tailored just for you. Join our community of stars and unlock your musical potential today. Visit Guitar Star Academy to enroll in our online courses and start your journey to becoming a guitar hero. Don't wait. Enroll with Guitar Star Academy today.
To do, and we go open, so we're not pushing down, 3rd fret, 5th fret, back to 3, and then back open. Play that one more time. Great, you're doing a fantastic job. Okay, so I'm going to piece all this together now so you can hear how it sounds at a slower speed. So when you practice this, I recommend doing it at least 10 times. If you do it 10 times every practice session, you're going to get it super quick, and you're going to be able to impress all your friends and family that you can play the most famous rock riff ever. And let's say if you're not getting the notes to sound clear and they're a little bit buzzy like this, and you're just getting frustrated that you can't get the notes to sound. Now there's 3 things you can do here that's really going to help to just get less buzzy notes and really sweet, great sounding notes. One is to play right on the fingertip. So you can see here that my finger is really curled round into the string and I'm playing right near the nail. This is the bony part of the finger. So this is fantastic for pushing strings down. So if we use the fleshy part underneath, not so great. So that's one. The second thing is that we can tuck up right behind the frets or the metal strip here. We don't want to be on the metal strip, but just at the side of it. This eliminates a lot of fret buzz. Okay. So that's number two. Now number three, from what I see from teaching, is that when we push a string down, if you're a beginner, it can hurt the finger at first. This is not going to be forever, but the natural thing to do is to release from pushing down, and then that stops the note and gives us a buzz. So as you're playing the notes, you can see I'm playing the sixth string. I'm keeping the string pinned down to the fretboard. Now these three things work incredibly well. So one, playing right on the fingertip. Two, tucked up behind the fret. And three, keeping the string pinned to the fretboard. Those three things will cure your fret.
Awesome, great job, Rockstar. You are off to a very great start. But we are just getting warmed up. In our next lesson, day 2, we will learn this cool song. That's right, by the end of day 2, you'll be playing along to 7 Nation Army, like a true rock star. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out. Get ready, because tomorrow we are making more fantastic music. See you there. You did it. Great. You played your very first song on electric guitar. So next time, we'll learn a secret trick. I want to congratulate you on making it to the end of today's video. And we are celebrating you. We are cheering you on and helping you to learn one note, one song, and one lesson at a time.
If you loved today's video, consider subscribing to the channel and be first notified when we post new weekly videos just like this. Guitar Star Academy.